How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Customer lost the key and we're going to create a new one. Let's start. So I'm going to start by using Lishi CY24. I'm going to put it in the lock. I'm going to make sure that all the wafers are springy so there is no clog in the lock, and then we're going to start picking. And it should look like that after it's picked. Now I'm going to cut a key. I'm going to use a SEC E9 high security key machine, and I'm going to tie up the key in the clamp, and I'm going to put the code and the cuts that I just read from the lock. I'm going to look for Y159 with 8 cuts. I'm going to go to input. I'm going to put the cuts that I just got off the lock. I'm going to get it cut and we'll go and test it on the door. Alright, let's put the key, and it works nice and easy. Let's start the programming procedure. I'm going to use the KM100 Autel, and I'm going to use the dongle, and I'm going to stick it in the OBD underneath of the steering column right on the left side, and we'll connect it to the machine. We'll do the programming real quick. When we finish the programming, the machine is going to show us one extra key in the memory of the car. That's working nice and easy. Let's take the key out and test the buttons to make sure it works. Everything works as it should. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.